What is up guys, welcome to this brand new video. My name is Lucas aka Lumeo and today I'm here with the Suffolk Iron Foundry engine type 98G14. And yeah, it's a pretty small engine and yeah, it's even as big as a Coca-Cola bottle. Look at it. So let's start it. So this was the engine. It's a pretty nice and small engine. It's a side valve engine and yeah, pretty small for a side valve engine. Mostly they are a lot bigger. So this was the video. Hope you liked it and hope to see you at the next video. This is Lumeo. Later. Lumeo.